Welcome back to the Apps and Games Guide channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more easy tips and tutorials. Flash filter missing from your Instagram? Don't wait for a bug fix. You can recreate that editorial 35mm look right now. I'm showing you the secret workaround using a custom AI prompt. This is actually the exact same professional prompt used by Instagram's Restyle with AI tool to get those perfect film results every time. How to use it? Just head over to the Restyle option and paste the technical prompt I'm about to show you. It perfectly balances ambient light with that signature flash fill pop and smooth grain. It's way more customizable than the standard filter and gives your photos a high-end 35mm negative aesthetic instantly. I know this prompt is long, so I've placed the full text in the description below for you to copy and paste. If this saved your edit, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Apps and Games Guide for more secret Instagram tips.